Hey guys, it's Beth with Rockstar Reviews. We're going to review an amazing product today. Take it away, Adam.
Hey there folks, this is Adam from 911reviews.com. Today we've got a pretty amazing product. I'll put a link in the description below. It's 4Est Forest Shades. Get it? These are an environmentally conscious, really superior type of polarized lens. See, I'm going to put them on right now. It's interesting, the website, well, just changed my world, honestly. Really, things are a lot crisper. So the website says that if you buy a pair of these wood-framed sunglasses, that they will go ahead and plant 2 trees to help support the world. So whether you're going out to the beach, enjoying the world, trying to relax a little, or you're environmentally conscious, these are the shades you're going to want to check out. Now they come in this pretty darn amazing, see if you can see that. If not, I'll just put it on the screen. But they come in this wood case. They're also intricately designed. They've got carvings on each side. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll put it on the screen. And frankly, the one thing that really set them apart, other than the fact that I'm looking into 2 bright lights right now, and I can see really clear, this is amazing, but they're super, super light. I don't know what kind of wood this is, but this is impressive. I don't know if this is bamboo or exactly what we're dealing with, but these are the lightest, most comfortable glasses that I own. So anyway, folks, 4Est, they come with, you know, obviously the little interior case, you know, the bag, as well as a cloth. Instructions, some information here. It says, thank you, you have directly contributed to planting 2 trees. Let's be friends, facebook.com, 4EST Shades, 4Est, 4EST Shades.com for exclusive offers. They even have some amazing watches, and if you're gonna take these out surfing, the good news is they float. So check them out, folks. I definitely enjoy this product. Go enjoy your summer. It's almost summer. I live in Florida, so it's always summer, so I'm gonna get my money's worth out of this. I'm gonna go take the convertible out. Go check out our Tribotex review if you wanna see my convertible Mustang. Subscribe for new videos every week, and I'll put a link with some information in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we are out of here.
Welcome to Rockstar Reviews. This channel will showcase some really cool health, fitness, fashion, and beauty products. Like this.
Check it out. There's a link in the description below.
Please take a moment, check out our videos, and subscribe for new videos coming out all the time.
Hey, why don't you subscribe to my channel? Thank you.
Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe for new videos every week and comment below with suggestions for new video topics.